Hi, I'm Kendall. Welcome to my greenhouse. This is Luke, and today we are going to do a bulb unboxing from bloomingbulb.com. Let's take a look. Most of this order, I think, are bulbs for putting in the fridge, cold treating, and then the plan is to bring them out in early spring and force them. Ideally, I would have ordered these bulbs and done this earlier, so they need about 12 weeks in the fridge, but I'm just doing it this way because they have sales. All right, let's take a look at what we have in here. Crocus, tricolor species. Okay, I'm gonna hold that up here. Lord Lieutenant Anemone coronaria. These are going to go in my other box because I have some other Anemone coronaria bulbs. I'm going to keep them together. Babymoon Daffodils Daffodils. Flower Record, large cup daffodils. Summer snowflake leucogems. I'm going to put those in my other box too. They are not going to go in the fridge. They're going to get planted out. Ice cream double late tulips. I got these for my son because the ice cream bulbs look really fun. Goblet trumpet daffodils. These are quite large. Chinese sacred lily Paperwhites. Oh yeah, that's why I needed to unbox right now. Because those are not going in the fridge. Put those over there. Whew, dusty. Summer snowflake leucogems. So it looks like I have 2 bags of those. Let's put some in the fridge. Oh, there's more of them. Okay. So we'll plant those out right away. By right away, I mean within the next month or so. Giant Allium Purple Sensation. Those will also get planted out now in November. More giant allium. More giant allium. These are normally pretty expensive. They had a good price on them, so I got them. More leucogems. Species crocus. Bridal crown double daffodils. And white amaryllis. We'll open those up right now. So I'm going to go ahead and put all the daffodils back in this box. They will go inside and crocuses, and they will go into the fridge. So let's take a look at these amaryllis. All right, white amaryllis 3-pack. Well, this one got a little damaged. All right, I'm just taking them out. This is the one with a little bit of damage. We'll see how that recovers. I'm feeling the bulbs. This one has kind of a soft spot right here. We'll see how that goes. This one is also a little damaged, so I think having them in that bag, that 3-pack bag, is not great. This one looks okay. So they're all showing signs of life. Where am I going to put them? Let's see if they will fit think that's big enough. I think we're going to put them in this. This is called a levee bowl. It's 10 inches across. Get some soil in here. I have a tendency to overfill pots. Let's water this in a little bit here. Okay, we're going to put a little bit more soil around. So I don't want to get soil into the top of the bulbs. So this is maybe a little full. Oops. Don't do what I just did. We don't want soil or water getting in these parts of the bulb. All right, I think I have a little duster thing. Gonna gently remove some of that soil that I just messed up there. Okay, soil is moistened. Let's put some bark around the top of it. This is going to help hold in moisture, so I won't have to water them very often, and it just looks nicer. So since these are going to be in the house, I don't just want dirt everywhere and exposed. So again, trying to keep the, there we go. It's looking good. Trying to keep the dirt and water off. So this is an orchid bark, fine grade. It's the best thing I could find when I decided I wanted sort of a bark look on some of my planters. And then I have a little saucer to put it on, like this. There's my final product. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the grow room in my house, which is just my basement studio. It's not super warm. I do have a heat pad turned on in there, so I could do that. And give them a nice warm start. Keep them watered while they put roots down. And then I'll bring them up into the main part of my house when they start to look decorative and pretty. Oh, you know the other thing I thought about doing? I'm not done. Let's go back. We need some supports. I was watching Laura's Amaryllis video the other day, and she put supports in, and that reminded me that maybe we should do that too. I have some really pretty lichen-covered branches that fall off of our linden trees outside. So this. Let me see. I think I'll put these in between the bulbs. So that they have something to support them. They can tie to when they start to get bigger. Let me see, what's the situation here? Trying to see how pliable these are. She used like some iris to tie them together. I'm just looking around to see what I have. What do I have that I can tie things together? All right, I found a piece of grass on the ground. Let's see if that works. Good enough for now. Okay, so I don't love how some of the sticks, well, maybe I don't mind it. I think that top one is just too tall. Let's trim that down a little bit and then we'll be ready. We'll be complete. Okay. They're not super strong supports, but at least I tried. Let me show you the final product. There we go. I think it's cute with the lichen on it. Hopefully you can see that well. Now it's ready to go in. Thanks for joining me to unbox some bulbs and pot up these amaryllis. I will post an update when they start to bloom. Hope to see you in the greenhouse soon. Bye.